Hello everyone, this is Rahul Viswakarma and today I am going to tell you about how to face the ICMR Scientist B interview. I have prepared some interview questions and their respected answers. These questions and answers are prepared by the help of many experts who have gone through the interview many of the time in their professional career. We know that on the 1st of this November, ICMR have successfully conducted the exam. And if I talk about the exam pattern, it was very basic and full of logical questions. So many of us thinking that they may clear in that exam and to be ready for the interview. That's why I have prepared some interview questions so you can find a way to handle this interview strategically. There are some smart questions and you need to be prepared to clear this phase of the screening. So now let's start this video. As we know that the very first question will be like your introduction. So they may ask, tell me about yourself. For this question, you need to be answer it very impressive way. So you can make an image about yourself in front of them. It will show you them how you are confident and how about your communication. And also how you may present yourself in front of them, and the answer should be complete in 40 to 50 seconds, or you can take 1 minute, but do not take more than 1 minute. Apart from the basic introduction talk, tell them about who you are, what you do, make it to the relevant talk about your qualifications and other specific area of education like experience, your achievements. And one thing is more important, that maintain your body language during this particular period, during this time. If I talk about the second most important questions, will be like why you are a good scientist. It's a very challenging questions and you can have a smart answer if you get prepared well. So now you have to focus about why you wanna be a scientist. Tell about your ideology to be a good scientist. Don't say this is right for me and I love to do this. This will be the wrong approach. Focus on your passion and research. Focus on why you love it and why it drives you. Focus on your love towards the ideology of research. Tell them why you love to solving problems, and then talk about some technical things. But do not talk about too technical, just talk about little bit about work ethics, learning, new innovation, and how you go further. By all of these smart talks, you will get over this question. The next questions may be like, what could you do for this position if you got selected? This is the amazing question, and this is like you are going to be a scientist. You need to sell yourself for this question. You should talk about your unique qualities, your skills and problem solving attitude. Tell about why you are a competitive candidate, your ability to quick learning ability, how you analyze these things. The question 3 may be like about your plans in future if you get it this position. So if you want to try this answer, you need to be very focused about your upcoming years or what you are seeing about yourself in future. Tell them about your future preparation and future goals. Do not discuss about your life settlements. Number 4 question may be like, how do you handle pressure and stress about this post? This is very critical question and a great question also. This will leave you in a silent zone if they ask you. So do not keep silent, start telling truth about you have handled the pressure and you can able to cope up with this. Try to tell them what you will prioritize things and make a note about necessary things. You also try to find out the way to complete that particular stress and pressure. Number 5 may be like why you want to do this job, why you want this job actually. So now they want to pick you out from the others. So you may answer like you have done research or you have some scientific skills which match this job profile. Tell them about that you have a perfect match skills for this job or interview. You know the working ethics and management of this post because you already done this in your lab work, or so you are very valuable to this post. This will be the answer. Next will be like situational and technical question. They may ask about the experiment, how you solve the problem, how you perform any particular experiment. If you do know the answer, directly tell them, and if you not, then say I don't know this time, but I will learn it for my future problems. Now I think this is much to talk about in an interview preparation. So prepare the best with positive attitude. Hope you will find this video helpful. Please like and share with others for support. Thank you.